Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Today, we're gonna do the follow-up from yesterday. If you saw my video yesterday regarding the massive fall on the markets, US30, Nasdaq, US500, markets were dropping. Stocks were also dropping for the, regarding this fear with the COVID-19 and a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna give it a like a video if you liked it. If you saw that, give it a big thumbs up, because look what happened. Look what happened. This is the video, right? This is how I was entering. In fact, I had already made an entry. When I made the video, I was already in profits. I made my entry right here. And I was telling you guys, let me see, let me just put it on mute. I was telling you that I wanted to see a big, after this massive drop, which was this basically like vertical, the price, I wanted to see the price push up like really strong. Now, look at what happened. Boom. I'm on the chart right now, so you can see right there, price flying, just flying after that. It went crazy. Look at that. I'm on the daily candle, daily time frame. Look, immediately pushing back up. So that's something crazy. How about right there are like already about 650 pips already, or 650 points, whatever you want to call it, on US30. This is crazy. It is a massive push, massive correction that I was pretty much telling you here. Also, the title of the video was massive drop, massive correction, or something like that. I don't remember exactly, but anyways, look at what the price did. Just flew right at the top. And this candle right here, this big momentum candle, this was by the time the market opened. This was at 8:30. This was New York Stock Exchange open. So it was creating some type of flags. At this point, I was a little concerned, to be honest. When the price was here, I'm going to show you. When the price was somewhere around there, I was a little concerned because I was seeing like a flag. In fact, it is looking a flag right there. Like I was going this way. So I was thinking, oh man, this is maybe going to continue to the downside. If it breaks this thing, I may be getting in on a sale, even though it's crazy, because I was on a buy already. So if it breaks this flag, my rule is to get in on a breakout. But too many confluences at this point. The price was touching a nice resistance there, very strong resistance. So I was just waiting for the, don't remember, I think I went on a 15-minute and I was waiting for 15-minute or 5-minute candle to actually break below the structure right there. I was waiting for that kind of breakout to go on a sell. And I was just waiting. Let's see. Touching again the resistance, and then boom. Right there with this candle, I did get in. I actually did get in on the sell. And I was aiming, I was saying like, you know what the hell? If this thing is gonna drop after that, maybe it's gonna do a double bottom before it starts to shoot up. So I'm gonna do this. So I did that. I did my entry right there. So I was pretty much into profits for a few minutes. Meanwhile, the price was actually dropping right there. I had already placed my entry to break even, and I was just watching and waiting. I wanted to wait for the actual time, the New York Stock Exchange opening. I wanted to wait for that. So the price continued dropping. So I was saying, oh man, so okay. In case if I lose this one, I will be winning this sell. Or if the price decides to bounce up back up, I may be entering on 2 entries right there. But then the market, let's see, market open right there. The market, it was about to open. Look at that. Rejection by the time the market opened. Then immediately next candle stopped me out. Thanks God, I put my stop loss to break even, stopped me out. And then from that very moment, the price started to shoot up. Crazy, shooting up like crazy. So this flag was no longer a flag. It did not form because, like I mentioned, sometimes it's not going to form, maybe because of the momentum, the price is, the actual direction is to the upside on a big time frame, or you can see there's flags as well in here. It could be some type of drop. Let's see this way. There are flags. So price is pushing up, then coming back down. Something like that. There was some type of flag as well here. I would say this was the actual flag, and the price did start to shoot up. So I broke this resistance. So that was telling me, okay, this baby is shooting up. And then after that, it just kept pushing. It just flying. Now it's breaking. It has broken this structure. So most likely because of the time now, it's going to start consolidating. It might do some type of deep pullback, but I don't care what it's going to do. I'm pretty sure this thing is going to be reaching new highs. This was just fear. This is fear from the coronavirus. And I'm not sure what's going to happen after that. If the price will continue dropping, I don't think the price is going to continue dropping. Let's go on 4 hour and look how it is. It's a big correction. Price is correcting, so most likely it's going to do, after this big push now, it's going to do pullback, and then it's going to normal. Yeah, most likely it's going to consolidate in this zone, or if it breaks below, I'm already a break even. I don't want to put my take profit or move the stop loss to somewhere around here because I want to watch it. Like, I don't care at this point. I just want that to touch my take profit. Like, so far, this is my biggest entry ever in US30 indices. This is 630 pips, and this is just in like 2 days. 630 pips. I haven't done this before. This is my first time. So if you happen to reach the 1,139 points or pips, whatever you want to call it, as I said to one of my students, I'm going to make a party there. So let's see with Nasdaq. It looks like it could be doing a correction right there. There is a resistance, but basically the same thing. Same thing here. I detected, and this is what happened. Let me go 15 minutes. I was actually getting in as soon as I saw this 15-minute candle breaking this trend. So I saw that breakout, entered. Boom, stop loss below. And then I'm just following. Now look what happened. This was happening before the market opened. By the time the market opened, I'm sorry. So price actually was like scaring people out. Like, I thought at some point the price was actually going to continue to the downside, but like I wanted to hold it. I did hold it. I didn't want to close my entries or cut my losses. I just wanted to risk it, and I just waited. Let me remove that. Look at that big wick rejection, then another big wick rejection. But look that this zone was able to hold the price really well, and then it started to shoot up. Now, of course, it's consolidating after this massive shoot up. Most likely, we're going to have some type of pullback or consolidation in that zone. There's this channel in here as well, so price might be consolidating right there, but already dip into profits. Beautiful shoot up after that massive drop for those 2 days ago. Let's see, 189 pips already, and right there. So I'm gonna let them run. I'll see if it goes right here. Look how if this candle closes, I showed you this as well on the video yesterday. Look what happened. Now look what's happening. You see big, beautiful, engulfing candle. That's what I wanted to see. That's what I wanted to see. This is my trigger on a big, big time frame. This is my trigger. Something kind of like this right here. You know, you will see you will see triggers pretty much everywhere. So this is my trigger right here. This is my sign that the price will be continued pushing up very strong after that. Of course, like I mentioned, anything could happen. I could see anything. This could be very beautiful, looking to the upside, but then any type of news, coronavirus could mess this thing up and then maybe continue dropping. But for the moment, just following price action on a daily time frame, touching my channel right there, is beautiful. It is definitely looking, just by following that, is definitely looking the price will continue pushing up after this candle. If this candle were 3 hours and a half left for this candle to close, for the daily candle to close. If it closes bullish, engulfing candle, definitely we're gonna be looking a continuation. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna see a little drop, maybe to this zone. The price might do this to somewhere around this zone. Might do a pullback and then continue then to the upside. But this level was able to hold really well the price right here. You see big wick rejection. Look at the size of this rejection. The wick is bigger than the actual body of the candle. Then we had another big wick rejections here and then engulfing candle. That's a really good sign. I believe this is going to definitely continue pushing up. Let's see what's going to happen, guys, with Nasdaq and US30 in the market. Let's hope, you know, everything goes well. And this is crazy. Like, I'm more excited with US30 at the moment than with Nasdaq. But no, I'm not gonna lie. Also with Nasdaq, like, it's looking beautiful on that trend. Daily trend is looking beautiful. So that will be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, any questions regarding this, please let me know. Leave your comments below. If you want to follow me on my Telegram, I share this information every single day, live. Look, I'm gonna share it here with you, just right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen. You can see videos touching. Sometimes I send another signals, another alerts. This is a nice setup for your CHF. And look, I'm sending pretty much everything. From very early in the morning, sometimes I send some news regarding the fundamentals, what fundamentals are saying, which today fundamentals were right, actually. Everything was pretty much green by the time before the market opened. So it was right, which is kind of odd. Sometimes it's not helping at all. But this was even from yesterday, the day before yesterday. So you see right here, I'm sharing pretty much all the information, where I'm entering and everything, what are my expectations and all of that. So beautiful. Look at Nasdaq, where I was entering, and now it's somewhere about here. So really nice there. Follow me on my Telegram. Almost, we're at 1,500 already. 1,500 followers on my Telegram group. If you want to join also my mentorship, I'm going to be starting another mentorship for the month of August. I'm already almost done with the first mentorship for the month of July, for this month. So this last weekend is going to be the last class for the first mentorship. Next mentorship will be starting on August 8th. And if you want to know more about that, you can just follow me on my Telegram. I will leave you the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take it easy, guys.